Good morning, guys. Today is 31st of December and the weather is 1 degree Celsius. The wind is very nice. I just dropped my one line today, and let's see later on if I will catch anything. Okay, see you guys. Thank you, guys. For those who wanted to know what I'm using for pike fishing, so I'm using this fish which I bought from the grocery store. Usually it's around 6 inches long. Whatever kind of fish that you can buy in the grocery, at least this big. Ideally this is the one I'm using. It's just less than $3. So for my gadget, I have this spinning reel with Shakespeare ugly stick rod, and I'm using this treble hook to hold my bait. And I'm using also this 15 pounds line, just the cheap ones from Walmart. It can hold around 5 kilos of any kind of fish, but for now I'm using this Abu Garcia spinning reel and another ugly stick, which is a bit longer than this. It's around 6.6 feet. This one is just the small one, but it's also strong. You remember in my last video I was able to catch a 31 inches with this very small, very thin rod. But you can use anything, even the cheap ones in Dollarama. So for now, let's see. There's a little bit of snow falling down now, and the wind is starting to become stronger, but I think it will be better after 10 o'clock. So let's just watch and see. Mostly pike, as I observed, they bite at around 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock. So it's just maybe around 9 for now. Let me just check to make it sure. So it's just 9:22 right now. By 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, let's see if I'm going to get anything. I only have a few hours to fish today because I'm going to prepare for New Year later on with my wife. Okay, see you guys. Thank you. So guys, for those who did not visit Bluffers Park yet, I just wanted to show you the environment here in Bluffers. As you can see, the boat are already sitting very safely over that side, safety side, and covered with I don't know what kind of cover they use for that. Maybe it's just a protection for snow and rain, because in the coming weeks snow will be for sure harsh again, since it's winter time again. There you can see the bluffs. The snow just melted few days back. From my last video, it was already piled around me, but now since the weather goes up a little bit, it's all gone, and the trees doesn't have their leaves anymore, except the pine trees, which is a bit stronger than the regular trees. I know guys, I'm getting a bite. I wanna check. I think I lost it. I lost it. I lost it. I was getting a bite earlier, but I lost it.